about community structure observation using line transect.
Let's see. In this experiment, we will conduct the observation in the two different places. The first in the botanical garden and the second one in the near lapangan berdebu in the UPI.
So now we will make a line for 5 meters long from here, from the starting point until there. So the next thing we should do is to make a mark in the interval every 0.5 meters. So it will place in here in 50 because in here is 1 meter. So every 0.5 meters we will mark it out. Okay, so why we choose this area? Because this area has a land that's crooked, so it will cause the differences in the gradient of the land from the start of the interval until the end of the interval.
So the next is we should define the general species of plant. So in here we choose 3 plants. The first plant in here, this plant, and then the second, this is the second plant, and the third is in here. This is the third.
Here is our result, and we will discuss our observation result. As you can see here in the table 1, the species A is the coverage of the species A is 124.5 centimeters, while species B is 55 centimeters, and species C is the lowest coverage, that is 7 centimeters. What we can discuss is here the species A present in all the interval from the interval 1 to the interval 10, while the species B only absent in the interval 1, and then the last species C only present in the interval 3 and interval 10, so that the coverage of species A is the highest while the species C is the lowest. And then we move to the second result. As you can see here, the relative density of species A, B, C is 58.4%, and then species B is 39.6%, and species C is 1.9%. So actually we can get the relative density from the total individuals of a species divided by the total individuals of all the species times 100. So we get this value. And then the frequency, as we discussed before in the table 1, because the species A present in all the intervals, so the frequency is 100, while the species B is 90%, and then species C is only 20%. And then the relative density, the species A has the highest relative frequency, and then the species C is the lowest relative frequency. And then for the dominance, it is also the species A has the highest dominance, that is 24.9%, and then species B only 11%, and then the species C only 1.4%. And so with the relative dominance also, the species A has the highest, and the species C only the species C the lowest relative dominance. And then we can get the important value from the total of relative density plus relative frequency and plus relative dominance. So we can get this value. The value of species A is 177.7, and then so on with the species B and C.
So hello everyone, today we are going to conduct the same experiment but in the different place. So the apparatuses and the tools still the same with the previous experiment. Still you remember?
We need plastic rope, meter tape, and don't forget notebook to note the result. Let's jump to the observation. First of all, you should determine the location based on your variable. For example, is the ground slope. After that, make a line using the plastic rope for 5 meters long. The next step is make interval in every 50 centimeters. You can mark it using branch of tree. Choose 3 species that you want to observe. After that, record every species of plant that touch the plastic rope and their coverage. After we got the data and we analyze it, we can see the final result in this table. From the table 1, we can see species A is dominant with 92 species or plants occur along the line transect. Following with species C with 45 plants and then species B with 27 plants. But it will be different if we see at the interval in which species occur, which is the species B is more than species C. It is more detailed in table 2, even the species C has lower frequency but is more dominant if we compare with species B.
So, a further conclusion in this experiment is species A is more dominant than species B and C. Sloping soil condition and enough like as the starting point observation. It might be affect the growth and distribution of each species.
So that's all for our experiment today. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.
Bye.